Hello, today we will guide you through how to import products into QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your company. Once your dashboard loads, we'll head straight to the place where you can manage your items. You don't need anything fancy prepared to follow along, but having your product list ready in a spreadsheet will make this smoother. Look toward the top right of the screen for the Settings option. It typically appears as a small gear icon and gives you access to many of the tools you'll use to set up your company. When you see it, select it to open the menu. If your screen looks slightly different, that's okay. Layouts can vary by region and user permissions, but the Settings menu will still be in the upper right area. From the Settings menu, choose Products and Services. This opens the central hub for all your items, including inventory, non-inventory, and services. Here you can see what you've already set up, filter and sort, and check quantities and pricing. It's helpful to glance over what's in the list so you understand how your new items will fit in and avoid duplicates. Now look to the top right of the Products and Services page for a small drop-down or action button. Open that drop-down and select Import. This takes you to the Import workspace, where you'll bring in your items in bulk. On the Import page, you'll be able to upload a CSV or Excel file that contains your product details. If you don't already have a file in the right format, look for a link to download a sample template. Matching that structure saves time and prevents errors. Typical columns include name, SKU, description, sales price, purchase cost, and whether the item is a service, non-inventory, or inventory you track. If you use inventory tracking, be sure your quantity on hand and as of date are accurate. Also verify the income and expense accounts you intend to use are set up in your chart of accounts and that tax settings align with how you sell the item. After you upload your file, you'll see a field mapping screen. This is where each column from your file is matched to a QuickBooks field. Take a moment to confirm every header lines up correctly, especially SKU, name, and type. If something doesn't match, adjust the dropdown so data goes to the right place. Before finalizing, review the preview to spot duplicates or missing values. Consistent naming helps prevent accidental duplicates, and clean SKUs make reporting easier. When everything looks good, proceed to complete the import. That's it. Your products are now ready to use in QuickBooks Online.